Every culture has a way of making biscuits, and I tell you what, the Italians know what they're doing when it comes to biscuits or biscotti. But Dan, you say in Italy they don't actually call biscuits biscotti.
No, we call them cantucci.
I never knew that. So who calls them biscotti? It sounds Italian, biscotti.
English people.
Because biscotti, what does it actually mean?
Because biscotti means bis means twice.
Yeah.
Cotti means baked, like double baked.
Yeah.
That's why we bake them twice, but in Italy we call them cantucci.
All right, well, there you go. I learn something every day when it comes to cooking. Cantucci, how are we going to be making these?
Okay, now we're going to crack some eggs. Ooh, one. And then we're going to cream it with some sugar.
Okay.
Just some caster sugar. We are going to mix just to cream it maybe for like 1 minute, 2 minutes.
Okay.
While I'm doing this, could you please sift all the dry ingredients?
Yes, okay, so some all-purpose plain flour.
All-purpose flour.
Okay.
And then we have some cocoa powder, just because we are going to make Mocha Cantucci.
Oh, mocha. Even just saying Mocha Cantucci is just like, you know it's going to be tasty, right?
And then some baking powder.
Baking powder, okay. Just sip that.
Oh, look at that.
I'm going to step away. It's going to be
Oh, yeah, otherwise you get...
cocoa bomb right here. There we go.
And see, look at that. Like, literally took me like 2 minutes just to mix all of it. Perfect.
Good. There we go.
There we go. And then finally, my favorite ingredient is coffee.
Okay.
I love coffee. I'm Italian.
Of course.
So we have just 1 tablespoon here, but people can add up to 3 tablespoons. Depends how much coffee they love to.
Okay, and that's just instant coffee?
Yeah, that's it.
No problem.
I didn't want to add the fresh, otherwise the dough will be too wet. Can you please add a half of the dry ingredient in my bowl, please?
Okay, start with half.
And I'm going to swap with the spatula. I don't want to overmix it because otherwise you're going to build gluten and you don't want that.
Right, okay.
Right?
So that's why you're doing it, sort of folding it slowly, carefully.
It slowly until everything is nice and combined.
Yeah.
And then I would say we can add the rest of the dry ingredients now, please.
Okay.
Thank you.
And so are we going to be baking these biscuits twice?
Yeah, they get nice and crispy.
Ah, I like it.
And so delicious,
Very
honestly.
good. Yeah.
Now I'm going to add some marsala.
Oh, masala.
Oh, yes.
Very nice.
And finally, could you please add some soft butter for me, please?
So, not melted, but softened.
No, just softened. Like, literally, look at that. It's like creamy.
Yeah. And that mixes in.
And same, we're going to mix it for like a minute or two until we don't see any more dry ingredients. And finally, the best part, nuts.
Nuts! Pistachio.
Yay! So we love pistachios, right? But if people, they don't like them, they can add walnuts, hazelnut, almond, whatever they want.
Whatever you want. I like that. In they go.
Yes, please.
And we don't need to chop them or anything, just leave them whole.
No, because we're going to cut them later.
Very good.
Like, the dough is done.
Yeah.
We're going to take some water. We're going to dip our finger in it, just because otherwise the dough is a bit too sticky.
Yeah, I love that tip.
And then take half of this portion, like that. Make like a log. And we're going to put the log on one side of a tray.
Okay.
And would you like to do the other log?
Yes, I would love to. I can make the second one. So I'm going to wet my hands and then we'll roll this log out. And Dan, how long are we baking these for?
At this stage, we are going to bake them for 20-25 minutes at 180 C, but before, we are going to brush some egg on top of it just to get nice and shiny. Let's grab one of these beautiful chocolate logs.
Yep.
And we're going to cut it.
Okay.
So I'm going to cut it like diagonal with a serrated knife.
Okay.
So let's start.
And we should mention, as soon as this comes out of the oven, they are going to be still quite soft, so do let them cool down. They're still warm, so about 10 minutes, just let them firm up, and then it's going to be much easier to cut.
Exactly, because when you cut them, look at this. They're like, look perfect. And with this nice pop of colors.
Yes.
Let's keep cutting them, and then we bake them again for like 10-15 minutes until they're nice and crispy.
Very nice. like the smell of chocolate and toasted pistachios.
Mamma mia, they're so delicious. I always love to make like a little pyramid.
Okay, why not?
Yeah, why not? To make it look a little bit pretty.
And the thing with this is you dry them out that second time, and I guess it goes back to the olden days where making biscuits like this, you want them to last for a very long time.
Ideally, you can leave them and they can last for a couple of weeks, but
Yep.
they will
not in my
last
house.
2 days.
Now, you were saying there are many different ways to eat your cantucci, as is, with an espresso or...
Or traditionally, you just eat it or drink it with vino santo, is holy wine.
Oh, of course.
You know, but we don't have it, so we can just drink it with some Marsala.
Okay.
We just grab one cookie each, we just dunk in it, and then cheers! Cheers!
What a way to finish an afternoon with it. Cantucci and a little masala.
It's so delicious.
As soon as you pop it into some liquid, it absorbs the flavour of that. And it is simply delicious. Dan, that is a beautiful cantucci. Not biscotti, don't mistake it for that. It is a cantucci.
Cantucci.